So, you're looking to bring your photos to life and make them chat like an old friend? Then welcome to the magic of Canva, where still photos, or even an AI illustration like me, can get a talking upgrade with a little help from apps like HeyGen and Nero AI. Buckle up, because today we're going to show you the whole process in a fun, conversational guide. Welcome to Makes It with AI. Let's get started. Step 1. Open up Canva. First things first, if you haven't joined the Canva party yet, sign up or log in if you're already a member. Step 2. Make a new design. Click on Create a Design and choose a format. For this example, I'm going to click on YouTube video to start. Step 3. Create your avatar image. Alright folks, before we dive into the magical world of making your avatar's chit-chat, we need a stellar AI image to start with. Think of it as the main ingredient in your new digital avatar recipe. There are plenty of AI image generators out there: DALL-E, Midjourney, Leonardo, and more. Just choose one that fits your style or that you are already familiar with. Then, once you've made your choice of generator, it's time to create your new avatar image. Once you're in there, you'll need to type in a description of the avatar you want to make. This is called a prompt. Be as detailed as you like. Think friendly librarian with glasses or quirky artist with a colorful beret and bright blue eyes. I've found that more details can be helpful in creating the exact character that I want. Once you're done, hit that generate button and watch the AI work its magic. Oftentimes, the first try isn't perfect. Just adjust your description or settings and regenerate again until you've got an image that you are happy with. Once you've nailed it, download your AI-generated image. This is your new best digital friend. Step 4. Record your voiceover. Now, we are inside a piece of software called ElevenLabs. It actually allows you to record narrations for stories or different things. In this case, we're going to use it for our avatar. There are many voices that you can choose from. So listen to several and choose the one you like best, and then this will be the voice for your character. So here's how you do it. We're going to just cut and paste what we want our avatar to say in the box here. I'm going to separate it by sentence, just to make it a little easier. Next, I'm going to choose the video voice I want for my avatar. By clicking on this down here, you can listen to the different voices just by clicking here. I'm going to choose Sarah. You can change the stability, the similarity, and the exaggeration in here a little bit if you want, but for now I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to leave it as is for now. Then I'm going to click Generate Speech. Okay, good. If you want to hear it again, you can just click it here. And if you're happy with that, all you have to do is click the download button. And it will download it to your computer. Now you're done with this part. So let's go on to the next step. Step 5. Animation time. So in this step, we're going to take our pieces, our image that we created before, and the recording we made a few minutes ago, and we're going to put the two together so that we can animate them. And to do that, we are here in this program called DID. There is a free trial that they offer, so if you want to sign up for that, that is a possibility. If you're already a member, you just log in, so I will do this right now. They have a lot of pre-made ones, or you can also make your own. These are some of the standard ones that you can animate to make talk for you if you want to. They also have some premium ones. You see these show a little bit more of their body and their hand. And then there's a section for your own avatars. These are some of the ones that I've created. So we're going to just come in here and we're going to upload my image that I want to animate. There she is. And now I'm going to choose the script. And I'm going to upload the audio that we just made. So I'll grab that, put it in here, and if you want to listen to it, just to make sure, you can click on it there. Once you're sure that this is the one you want to use, then all you'll need to do is to click here where it says Generate Audio. And then, if you want to give it a name, you can. I'm just going to put Test for now, and we'll hit Generate. And DID will generate it, and you'll see it right up there that it's working. Okay, so now it says they've generated our video, so let's go see what it looks like. Just click play right there. Okay? If you like that, then all you have to do is hit download. So for now, since I am happy with my results, we're just going to go with that and move on to the next step. Step 6. Go back to Canva. All right, so we're going back to Canva and we're going to take our creation that we just made of the animated lady and drag her into the uploads. This might take a few minutes. While we were waiting, I did add a moving animated background just to make it a little more interesting, but for now, let's go back to uploads. She's ready now. Let's add her to the page. So now you can see there she is. She is working, and she does have a voice you can hear. I will offer a few suggestions about what else you might want to do. Sometimes these backgrounds around images remove very well. Sometimes they do not. Since she's got this highlight in her hair, it's not going to be quite as good as some of the other images we might have used, but for now we're going to work on it. Click on the animation and then click on the background remover and let it work. It'll take it a minute or so. In the meantime, I will point out there is a watermark that DID leaves on their animations. You can move animation down so you can't see the watermark at all, or you can put something on top of it, or just leave it there. It's all up to you. And now, let's click and see our final results. And there you have it. Now you can see that she worked really well. One thing we might do for the highlight in her hair, let me show you just really quick. Let's go here and maybe grab this. Move her out of the way for a second. There we go. And we'll make the box more that cream color. And by just making that one little bit behind, you can see it made the hair look so much better. So there are things you can do to make the image work if it needs minor fixes. There are a lot of ways you can work around small flaws. Just be creative and try new things. Let's watch the whole animated image.
By blending Canva's design prowess with ElevenLabs vocal recordings and DID's animation magic, you can create amazing and engaging talking avatars that look really professional. This approach combines the best tools, letting you craft high-quality content, both images, animations, and audio, that is bound to impress your audience. Just follow the steps in this video, and you'll have an animated avatar in no time.
So for now, you can see our digital girl is talking. She has beautiful highlights in her hair. You can see her eyes blinking. Her mouth is moving and her head moves as well. So, what do you think? Do you think now you can make one of these for yourself following these steps? Just watch this video a few times and practice along on your own, and in no time flat, you'll be making your own talking AI avatars for your own projects. Now it's time for you to dive in and let the animating fun begin.
And if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.